Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior sunroof. Anthracite poplar wood trim. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 32,430 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.